as the days gradually lengthen and the promise of spring whispers in the air. February is the perfect time to embark on your vegetable gardening journey. While some regions may still experience winter's chill, many places offer a window of opportunity for planting a variety of vegetables that can withstand the lingering cold and set the stage for a bountiful harvest. We'll explore 20 veggies that you can confidently plant in February, seizing the moment to kickstart your garden and enjoy a delicious and homegrown bounty later in the year. 1. Spinach. Spinach is a cold, hardy, leafy green that thrives in cooler temperatures. Planting it in February allows for an early spring harvest. Choose varieties like Bloomsdale or Thai for a nutrient-packed addition to your garden. 2. Lettuce. Varieties such as looseleaf, romaine, and butterhead lettuce can be sown in February. These greens appreciate the cooler weather, and planting early provides a head start on a continuous harvest throughout the spring. 3. Radishes. Radishes are quick growers, making them an ideal choice for February planting. Their crisp and peppery roots are ready for harvest in just a few weeks. Consider varieties like Cherry Belle or French Breakfast for a colorful addition to your garden. 4. Carrots. Cold, hardy carrot varieties, such as Anantes and Danvers, can be planted in February. The slow growth during the cooler months results in sweet and flavorful roots. Ensure well-drained soil for optimal development. 5. Broccoli. Broccoli is a cool season favorite that can withstand late winter conditions. Varieties like Calabreses and Green Magics thrive when planted in February, setting the stage for robust heads in the early spring. 6. Cabbage. Planting cabbage in February allows for a late spring or early summer harvest. Choose varieties like Early Jersey Wakefield or Acre to add versatility to your culinary creations. 7. Peas. Peas are well suited for February planting, and sugar snap peas, in particular, thrive in cooler temperatures. Provide support for climbing varieties, and look forward to sweet and crunchy pods in the coming months. 8. Kale. Kale is a nutritional powerhouse that loves the cool weather. Whether it's the curly winter boar or the lacinato dinosaur, planting kale in February ensures a steady supply of this superfood. 9. Swiss chard. Swiss chard is a resilient leafy green that can be planted in February. Choose colorful varieties like Bright Lights to add visual appeal to your garden while enjoying the mild and earthy flavors. 10. Beets. Beets are a versatile root vegetable that adapts well to cooler temperatures. Planting beet seeds in February sets the stage for harvesting tender roots with vibrant hues in the spring. 11. Onions. Onions, particularly bulb onions and green onions, can be planted in February. These aromatic vegetables thrive in well-drained soil and add layers of flavor to your culinary creations. 12. Garlic. February is the optimal time to plant garlic cloves. Their long growing season allows them to develop into robust bulbs with rich flavors. Choose from soft neck or hard neck varieties based on your preference. 13. Cauliflower. Similar to broccoli, cauliflower is a cool season crop that can be planted in February. Varieties like Snow Crown or Purple of Sicily promise a flavorful and visually stunning addition to your garden. 14. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts thrive in cooler temperatures, making February an excellent time to plant them. Look forward to harvesting these mini cabbages in late spring or early summer for a unique and nutritious side dish. 15. Arugula. Arugula is a quick-growing leafy green that can be planted in February for an early harvest. Its peppery and distinct flavor adds a gourmet touch to salads and sandwiches. 16. Turnips. Turnips are root vegetables that flourish in cool weather. Planting turnip seeds in February allows for a timely harvest, and you can enjoy both the flavorful roots and the nutritious greens. 17. Parsnips. Parsnips are cold-tolerant root vegetables that can be planted in February for a sweet and earthy harvest. These long, cream-colored roots are perfect for roasting or adding depth to soups. 18. Kohlrabi. Kohlrabi, with its bulbous stem and mild flavor, is well suited for February planting. Varieties like Early White Vienna or Purple Vienna add a unique touch to salads and slaws. 19. Collard greens. Collard greens are a southern favorite that thrives in cooler temperatures. Planting them in February ensures a steady supply of these nutritious and hearty leaves for cooking or juicing. 20. Mustard greens. Mustard greens, known for their peppery flavor, are excellent candidates for February planting. Their rapid growth allows for a quick harvest, adding a zesty kick to salads and stir-fries. Embarking on your vegetable gardening journey in February sets the stage for a vibrant and flavorful harvest in the months to come. From cold, hardy greens to versatile root vegetables, the options are diverse and rewarding. Take advantage of the early planting window in February. Prepare your soil and watch as your garden transforms into a thriving haven of fresh and homegrown produce. Planting now ensures not only a delicious bounty, but also a deeper connection to the seasons and the joy of cultivating your own food.